Hello and welcome back to Hardware Info. In this video I will show you how to view media in application on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So you want to simply enter your application. As you can see, currently we do not have any media. This is because we haven't downloaded yet. As you can see, this GoPro has new footage indeed, so let's simply go with download. And alternatively, but as you can see we are transferring, we could also set up auto upload, though unfortunately this is for GoPro Premium only, which is quite sad thing. But anyway, we can now go with view media and we can see nice one feature. We can enable it and we can simply hear it out. But I do hear that there is no sound. Wow, amazing video. And of course we can do a couple of things. We can, for example, take a photo of each specific frame of the video, which is also pretty cool feature. We can download the whole inside our gallery. We can trim it if you want to. We can mark some very specific moment as our favorites. So now if we scroll down, we'll see a little orange thing that makes us know that, hey, this part is pretty cool. And lastly, we can simply remove it from our memory. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.